Malaysians yang bukan kerja kat Malaysia, korang tak tahu if korang patut beli property kat Malaysia ke tak? The short answer is yes. And it's not just about having a place to call home, it's a smart financial move. Rumah kat Malaysia jauh lebih affordable daripada banyak negara lain. But let's break it down. A 1,000 square feet 3 bed 2 bath condo dekat Malaysia, harga average lebih kurang dalam 500,000 lah. In the US is about 2 million ringgit. In the UK around 2.5 million. Qatar dengan Dubai about 2.2 to 2.7 million. Ni average Nampak tak perbezaan harga dia? Jadi kalau korang beli property in Malaysia, korang bukan je save duit, korang akan stay connected to your roots juga. Sedap makan nasi lemak pagi. And there's more. The Malaysian property market has been growing steadily. Korang punya investment today mungkin boleh bagi korang return yang sangat besar esok. But sayang ramai Malaysians, terutamanya bumi, yang masih belum ada this awareness. Jadi invest property kat Malaysia memang a smart move. Save money, stay to your roots and grow your wealth. Tunggu apa lagi? Drop me a comment or DM and I'll assist you. Assalamualaikum.